a junior from D'Evelyn High School. In lane 3 will be Kylie Rimbert, a sophomore from Silver Creek. Montrose's Rochelle Leonard will be in lane 4. Katrina Kronig, a senior from Durango, is in lane number 5. Lane 6 will have Catherine Hewson, a sophomore from Estes Park. Olivia Gatch, a junior from Cheyenne Mountains, in lane 7. Lane 8 will also have a Cheyenne Mountain Indian, Lexi De La Cruz. And lane number 9, Sydney King, a junior from Thompson Valley, rounds out the field. And here we go in the 100-yard freestyle. The favorite, if you will, the fastest preliminary time is Katrina Kronig's 55.8. She is from Durango. She is in lane number 5 here. You come up on the second turn, and it is Kronig with the lead here in the consolation finals of the 100-yard freestyle. In second place right now in lane number 2 is Molly Loneman from D'Evelyn. Entering the final turn here, it is still Kronig followed by Loneman. A late push being made on the outside by Sydney King of Thompson Valley. We'll see if it's enough here. And at the end, it will be Katrina Kronig, Catherine Hewson at the last moment from Estes Park swooping in. That's the second race in a row that we've had a late winner. In lane number 2, winning second place, is Molly Loneman. And in third place in lane 4 is Rochelle Leonard. So that field got all messed up there. And actually, there are 2 swimmers tied for third. So we'll get that straightened out. But we know the winner, at least, is Catherine Hewson of Estes Park. The rest is all academic as we now welcome out the 100-yard freestyle finalists. In lane number 2 will be Alana Erickson, the senior from Fountain Valley. In lane 3 will be Amanda Seidem, a senior from Silver Creek. In lane 4 will be Alexis Divelbis, a junior from Pueblo South. Erin Eddy, a freshman from Thompson Valley, will be in lane 5. Colleen Olson, a sophomore from D'Evelyn, will be in lane 6. A sophomore from Thompson Valley named Marina Fonseca will be in lane 7. Lane 8 will have Amy Brody of Moffat County in it. And rounding out your championship field is Katia Armbrecht, the junior from Durango High School. Thompson Valley fans getting loud at the announcement that Erin Eddy was the fastest preliminary time at 53.01. And here we go in the 100-yard freestyle championship finals. Erin Eddy, the freshman from Thompson Valley, is the quote-unquote favorite, but as we've seen the last couple of races, that doesn't mean that the favorite always wins. Coming here into the second turn, it is Eddy right now your leader, but there are multiple swimmers right with her here as they come up on the third and final turn. And coming down the home stretch, it is Eddy with the lead. Multiple swimmers flanking her right and her left in second and third place. And coming down to the wire, it will be Eddy. And then a tight race for second. And it will go slightly to Alexis Divelbis of Pueblo South. And in lane number 6, Amanda Seidem is in lane 6, Colleen Olson is your third place. And now they're going to take a break before they put the 100-yard freestyle winners on the podium. Going to